Hello, everyone. Welcome back. In this video, we were going to look at how to rebalance a tree. If the tree is not balanced, and we're going to rebalance the tree so that it becomes balanced. So when you perform a search, there's no problem. And you don't have to rebalance the tree because it does not change the tree. But if you insert or delete the elements from a tree, it may cause the tree unbalanced. In this case, we need to identify the node that is not balanced, and then we're going to perform a rebalance. So this is the situation. Normally, it's like this. So right now, this is not balanced. Everything else is fine. So this A is -2. So this means here it's left heavy. There's more on the left side. And here, and B is either -1 or 0. So potentially B is left leaning. So it's going left heavy, or it's just about the same on both sides. So this is the situation. We call this is left. So we're going to perform the rotation. It's called L rotation. We're going to have 4 rotations: LL, RR, LR, and RL. LL is left, RR is right. So for this LL rotation, we identify the situation here. And this is caused by somehow you inserted a node right here in this T1, and you go all the way up to find, oh, this A now becomes unbalanced. So we're going to perform a rotation. And this is called LL rotation. We're going to rotate it to the right. As you see here, and this is now B is becoming the new node on the top, and A is now the right child of B. And this T1 is becoming the left child of A, so left subtree. And this, there's nothing else. You don't have to change other things. So the only thing you change is right here. See this. And this is the LL rotation. So similarly, we can look at the RR rotation. It's symmetrical to LL, but this just the other way around. So in this case, and this A, and is the balance factor is +2. So it means it's right heavy and still to the right. And further, and B is balance factor is +1 or 0. So it's right heavy. So it's a right. So we need to go to rotate it to the left. So now, and B is on the top, and here A is becoming the left child of B. And this T2 is now becoming the right subtree of A. So that's the RR rotation. And LR rotation is the situation here. It's A is left heavy, and B is, however, it's right heavy. So like this. And here's the C. So we're going to perform a rotation to the right. And for this here, the whole thing here. And then we're going to perform a slightly going back and to the left. So for this, and C is becoming the new node on the top, and A is now becoming its right child, and B becoming its left child. And we're going to adjust all the subtrees, and T1 is here, and T3 is here, and T2 is here, T2 is becoming the right subtree of B. That is all for the rebalancing trees and using the operations L rotation, RR rotation, LR rotation, and RL rotation. That is all for this video. See you on the next video.